Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, rear step bumper, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio speed sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.